Today we will learn to zoom in on a specific location. A simple video footage, and we'll zoom in on this specific location. We will double click on the video. We will move this point to the position where we want to zoom. Next, in the effect control, we will zoom in. See zooming on a specific location. We can increase and decrease the distance if we want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.